So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing something super fun. It is my bathroom makeover reveal, I guess. We did some renovating in our bathroom. Unfortunately, I don't have before pictures, but just think of the saddest, most unfortunate mobile home bathroom you can imagine, and that's what we had. We had a plastic sink. We had really old cruddy cabinets. We did some updating to the walls. We took the old drywall was pretty damaged, so we added some beadboard over top of it and painted that in this gorgeous gray. We got a new vanity. I'm going to go through everything in the little video when I show you the sort of makeover reveal. But also in this video, we are going to be organizing my bathroom. So I bought some organization stuff from Dollar Tree. I'm going to go through all of my bathroom stuff, you know, all of the stuff that you accumulate. Shampoos, conditioners, hair products, toothpaste, all of that. I'm going to pare down what I don't need, and we're going to organize everything, and I'm going to take you guys along with me. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so I want to give you guys a little tour of the bathroom, as well as show you what I picked up to go in the bathroom and decorate and organize. I really wish that I had before photos of this bathroom. I apologize for the echo. Obviously, it's a bathroom. It happens. But this bathroom was very unfortunate looking. We had a really old vanity here that had a plastic sink in it. So this is a huge upgrade. This vanity came from Home Depot. It's this really nice sort of gray color. It came with the sink top. Obviously the faucet was separate. We got the faucet at Menards. I have always wanted a waterfall faucet, and now I have it, so I'm very excited about that. We have a little medicine cabinet here. This came from Home Depot as well. The light fixture before, sorry I'm blinding you guys, but what we had here before was this really old, ugly gold fixture that was, again, very unfortunate and sad looking. Let me see if I turn this off if you guys can see the fixture better. Oh, no, now it's just, there it is. Gives you a look. That came from Amazon. There we go. This over the toilet shelf also came from Amazon. I'm going to store towels and washcloths on this shelf, I think. And then just, you know, storage for whatever we need here. There's also storage in the medicine cabinet, so that's going to come in handy. As you can see on the walls, we have this gorgeous beadboard. When we took the old mirror off of this back wall, it was one of those that was just glued directly to the wall. We also had a little medicine cabinet here that was glued to the wall. And when we pulled those off, it damaged the drywall pretty severely. And we talked about the possibility of just replacing the drywall. Ultimately, we decided to go with this beadboard over top of the drywall. It's a really beautiful finish. Very, like, classy looking in my opinion. We just nailed it up. Well, we glued and nailed it up. And by we, I mean my husband. I didn't do anything in here. And then painted it. This is Repose Gray by Sherwin-Williams. It's the same gray we've used throughout our house. And then there's trim across the top. He does still need to do some caulk and things. So it's not quite perfect. But it's as close as it needs to be for me to do this project. The shower curtain, as well as the shower curtain liner, which is just white as well, came from Amazon. We put in this curved shower curtain rod, which makes it really nice. Gives us a little bit more space in the shower, and that came from Home Depot. And then he just put in the new floor, which is the same floor we have in our kitchen. Complements the Repose Gray very, very well. The toilet is not new. We also got this little toilet paper holder, and that came from Amazon as well. Everything in here is brushed nickel. That's the finish that we like. And that's a look at the bathroom. Like I said, it's very hard to show you, both because It's so small, and because I don't have before pictures, you guys would really be wowed if you could see the difference in here. But overall, I'm very, very pleased with this little makeover. And I'm very excited to organize everything because all of my stuff is currently in bins and laundry baskets. When we took everything out of here, we literally just threw everything in bins. So I'm super psyched to organize. And of course, I'm going to take you guys along with me for that process as best I can. It's very hard to film in here. It's very small and the lighting's bad. Speaking of lighting, we are going to put in an overhead light. That is the last thing kind of on the to-do list besides caulking around the trim and stuff. So that's going to happen eventually. For now, let me show you what I picked up to help organize this bathroom. We have these bins that I picked up at Dollar Tree. I got a couple of these. These are like, I think, paper sorters or something like that. Magazine rack, I don't know. Got them in this gray color because I thought it matched pretty well, and I love the little cutout pattern. I've got these to put under the sink. I'm hoping I can use this to corral like my hot tools and my hair products. Also picked up a couple of this style. I think that these are going to fit perfectly. Yep, right here on the little shelf, so we can throw stuff in there. And then I also picked up these with the idea that I could use these for my feminine hygiene products and tuck them right in there so that they are easily accessible but, you know, hidden. Also picked up a little trash can in that same gray color, again from Dollar Tree. I thought that was an awesome little deal, and that'll fit right in there. And then here are the items I picked up at Walmart. You can see there's a little bit of paint we still need to clean up on the floor that dripped. Fill in some nail holes and stuff. It is what it is. Oh, and also the door is a sliding door. This leads into our bedroom, and these are actually closet doors that we put on here 4 or 5 years ago, I think. And they work out just fine. I do need to clean them, but there's that. Alright, so now I'll show you the items I picked up from Walmart. So I got navy blue towels. These are showing up a little bit brighter on camera than they are in real life. I thought that the navy blue would be a nice kind of accent to all the gray and white. So I picked up just a couple of these, 2 to start. I'll probably pick up a couple more. So they're actually pulling a little bit purple on camera. They're not, they're navy blue. So I picked up 2 bath towels. Obviously I need to wash those, but those are going to go in here. Oof. I also picked up a little hand towel. I'll probably pick up 1 or 2 more of those as well. Just a couple to get us started. Towels can be expensive. These ones weren't too bad. I think they were like $4 each at Walmart, if I'm not mistaken. Maybe $5 each. Not terrible. I also got this little blue bath mat. I thought that this would be nice just for right here in front of the sink. We always tend to lay a little towel down when we're getting out of the shower, so I didn't buy one for there. Also picked up a little candle for on the shelf here. This is from Great Value. It's the Island Breeze candle. It smells really nice. And I picked up a little hand soap as well. So those are the things that I picked up to help decorate a little bit. Not a ton of decoration. And organize a little bit. Oh, I also got this. This VIP spray. This is like Poopery, only you can get it right at your grocery store. I've never tried this before, but it was there next to all of the other bathroom stuff, and I was like, hey, why not? We'll try it. So, because I've used something like this, let me know if it works. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and gather up all of my stuff that I need to bring in here, all of my hair tools and products and everything, and we're going to start organizing. Alright, you guys, so here is a look at everything that had come out of my bathroom. I know it's a gigantic mess. And now I have to try to organize it all in this space, so we'll see how that goes. I tried to set up a little tripod so that you guys could see what I was doing, and this bathroom is just too small. Like, there's nowhere to put anything. Even I tried pushing the shower curtain back and setting it up in the actual bathtub. I just couldn't get a good angle for under the sink here. This is the space I'm working with under here, by the way. Not a lot. You can see we didn't bother to paint back there because nobody sees this. I need to get a little cloth and clean up the sawdust from in there still. But there's this, the medicine cabinet up here, and then this shelf behind me. I'm sitting on my toilet right now. Super glamorous lifestyle here. But yeah, I can't really set it up, so what I'm going to do is just kind of show you vlog style how everything ends up. I'll do updates here and there. And then I'll give you guys a final tour of everything organized. It's not what I wanted to do, but this place is just too small for, you know, doing like a time lapse or anything. So I guess it's time for me to stop procrastinating and start going through this stuff, figuring out what I want to keep, what I want to get rid of, and where I'm going to put it all. Some of this may end up having to get relocated to my bedroom. I do my hair in here half the time and in my bedroom half the time, so either place is fine. I have a little vanity set up in my bedroom that I can do my hair if I find that I don't have the space for all of my hair stuff. So yeah, let me see what I can work with, and I'll check in with you guys in a little bit. Alright, you guys, a little update here. I have stuck all of my little feminine hygiene products in this basket and tucked it away. I like that, like I said, you can't really see it. I mean, you can. I'm not ashamed of these things, obviously, if I'm showing them to the internet, but just having them nice and tucked away, but easy access. If I put them under here, they're not as easy to get to. I haven't even started down here yet. I put these couple of bins here. I don't have anything in them yet. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with these. All of my stuff up here, we have a ridiculous amount of mouthwash. We do use all of these things. My husband likes the cinnamon. I cannot handle cinnamon, so he uses that. We have the anti-plaque rinse that we use before we brush. We have the antiseptic, which I use in the morning, and then the alcohol-free I use at night. So, it's a lot, but we do use it on a regular basis. I might stick all of that down in one of these. I don't know. It's a lot. And then we each have an electric toothbrush. We prefer different kinds. He likes the Sonicare. I like the Oral-B one, so there's that. And then we have our little aqua flosser here. Also, the variety of toothpastes. Again, he likes cinnamon. I can't handle cinnamon, so I have a couple of sensitive varieties. That's the extra little thing for my water pick. So there's that. And then I have my husband's little shaving brush. I haven't come across his razor yet, but that's that. That may change. That's just what it's looking like for now. In here, I have my contact solution. The rest of my contact stuff will go in here. I have this little blow dry accelerator. This may end up underneath. I haven't decided yet. Just kind of figuring out where everything's gonna go. I have my Zote. That is what I use to wash my makeup brushes. Some little gauze pads, my husband's deodorant, and then all of his shaving stuff. He uses the Suavizito products, both for his shaving and for his hair. And then he has some extra razor blades there. So that is what I've got so far. Still quite a ways to go here, but we are making progress. Okay, you guys, so it ended up being less of an organize with me and more of just a before and after in terms of organizing. It was just too hard to show you guys the whole process, but I'm going to give you a little look-see where everything ended up. So this is where my towels are going to go. I'm going to pull these back off and wash them. I just folded them for the sake of the video. I'm going to go and get a couple more bath towels and one more hand towel, and that will complete this little shelf. You can see here, this is where I put all of my feminine hygiene products. This is actually empty for now, so room to grow. This bin ended up being perfect for all of my hair stuff. These are not tools, these are just the products that I use every day, and a box of hair dye that I found under my cabinet. It's probably been under there for like a year. So there's that. This is my husband's shaving stuff here. This all may change, it's just kind of where it is for now. But he has his razor, his little shaving brush, and his shaving cup. All of the hygiene, you know, teeth stuff ended up here. In here is all of my toothpaste, floss. I have some of those flossers in there, one of these little mirrors to see the back of your mouth, you know. I have my water pick and my toothbrushes. I do want to move my toothbrushes into the medicine cabinet, but I need to move a shelf because the shelves aren't tall enough to fit them there. That is where they're eventually going to go. Just put them here for now. I like them to be behind the door, that way, you know, they're not getting exposed to a flushed toilet and that sort of thing. I have my little room sprays here. In the medicine cabinet, I have all of my contact stuff, as well as some eyeglass cleaner. There's some Band-Aids here and a little nail file or nail clipper. Some peroxides, body powder. This is just sort of like our everyday essentials. This little too big thing can go up here with the medicines. We have another place where we keep the rest of our medications, so that doesn't need to go in here, but there's also a little spot for my deodorant here, which I need to get out of my bedroom. And then on this last shelf is all of my husband's products, all of his shaving cream. This is vanishing cream, hair pomade. This stuff is so good. The smell of this is amazing. If you like the smell of cloves, you will love this. That's what it reminds me of. It's my favorite scent of all time, so I love that. And then all of my husband's razor blades are in there, so that's that. I have my little candle here. I need to touch up the paint. Oh, nope, that's a little piece of styrofoam from the packing material that this shelf was in. I have my hand soap. These did not end up being used, so I will put them away for use in other areas of the house. And then under here is real simple. In the back there, I have extra products, extra soap, bath bombs, some more feminine hygiene things. I have the cleaning products that I use in here. I still need to go and get the refills for my little Clorox wand because those go under there as well. And then in this bin down here, I have all of my hair tools, as well as a few extra, like my husband's clippers and that sort of thing under there. So that is it for the organization and little tour of my bathroom. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you did. Subscribe so that you never miss a video. I'm going to be doing lots more organizing videos, hopefully. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Everything that I showed you in terms of the fixtures and everything will be linked down below if you guys are interested in any of that for your bathrooms. This was a great little project. I'm so glad that it's done. I love everything about it. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye!